Sometimes you receive a PDF and notice that a name is missing, a spelling mistake needs fixing, or you need to add your company logo. In this video, I'll show you how to make simple edits like adding text, editing existing text, deleting text, and inserting images. There are many PDF tools available, but for safety, security, and privacy, we'll use an offline tool called SysSuite PDF Editor. You can download and install it from the link given in the description. Let us begin. Open SysSuite PDF Editor and load your PDF file. To start editing, click on Edit at the top. Let us begin with adding new text. Click on Add Text and then click anywhere on the page. A text box will appear. Now you can type the content you want to add, such as a missing name or a note. To adjust how it looks, select the text and go to the Text Properties panel. Here you can change the color, font type, font size, and even adjust the transparency. You can also drag the text box to position it anywhere on the page. Now let us look at how to edit existing text in the PDF. Click on Edit and then choose Edit Content. This will display text boxes around all the editable text in the document. Click on any text you want to change and simply type to update it. If you want to delete the text, the steps are very simple. Select the text and press backspace on your keyboard. Now let us add an image, such as a company logo or a signature. Click on Add Image and select the image from your computer. Once it appears on the page, you can resize it by dragging the corners. You can also move it to any position you want by clicking and dragging. This is helpful when updating invoices, adding branding, or placing a stamp or signature image. Once you are done making changes to a PDF, remember to save your file. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment your questions, and share this video with others.